Good morning, students. Uh, Today I will be doing triangles, some difficult problems, like I said earlier classes. And with that, we will be finishing triangles and we will be going to congruency of triangles. But before that, let us complete that triangles typical problems, like finding x, y, z when angles are given like that. So you know sum of the angles of a triangle is always 180. And one more important property is simple. You know, in an equilateral triangle, all angles are equal. So just 60, 60, 60. Now, if one side of a triangle is produced, like this, one side of a triangle is produced. Just I am taking one example. If one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle formed is equal to, exterior angle means here let me write it as x, is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. This is adjacent angle. Sum of the two interior opposite angles. Which are the interior opposite angles other than this? That is 60 plus 60. So x is equal to 120. Are you getting my point? If one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. I took an example of an equilateral triangle so that easily you can understand. So this is the picture, and one side I produced. So this is exterior angle which is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Proof. What's the proof? Is it okay? Is this postulate holds for everything, every triangle? Yes, absolutely it is. So you know straight angle measures how many degrees? Like in 5th, 6th standard, 180 degrees. So this is 60. 60, this is a straight angle. Something like this named as straight angle. Straight angle measures 180. 60 plus x is equal to 180 because these two angles straight. Straight angle measures 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 60. That is 120. See here, obviously we got 1. Clear? So what I am saying is, if one side of a triangle is produced, the exterior angle so formed is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This true holds for any triangle like isosceles, whatever triangle it may be. So next, bisector. Bisector means what? Some more things you should know. Bisector means dividing an angle into two equal parts. Suppose here PQR, I say QS is the bisector and the angle here is 70 degrees. QS is the bisector. Listen the question carefully. QS is the bisector. PQR is an angle 70. Middle letter I am using, angle Q is equal to 70, or you can use PQR. That is also correct. QS is a bisector. Bisector means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Here 70 degrees there. So that means one is 35, one is 35. 35 plus 35 is 70. Since QS is a bisector, and so now angle SQR is 35 degrees. Angle angle PQS is equal to 35 degrees. Angle SQR is equal to 35 degrees. Now total 35 plus 30, 7. Right. So let us do some problems. So I will be not writing the steps. You should write by yourself only. Just I will be explaining orally so that you can do by yourself. I will just give the hints. Observe this problem carefully. What is given is BC is parallel to DE. That means these two are parallel. And this angle is CBA is equal to 84 degrees. This is 84 degrees. It is 84 degrees. And this angle is 70. He is asking to find the value of x. Very simple, students. How will you do this problem? Apply the basic rules. To do this problem, you need to know three things. Sum of the angles of a triangle 180 and corresponding angles, alternate angles, you should know. That's it. So, if this is 84 and these two lines are parallel, just extend it. Imagine. So, one is exterior, one is corresponding angles. One angle is exterior, one angle is interior. Exterior, interior, and they are lying on the same side of the transversal. Imagine this is the transversal. If this is 84, this should be 84. Are you getting my point? These two are parallel lines. One is exterior angle, so one is interior angle. So they are lying on the same side of the transversal. So if this is 84, this angle is 84. Now 70 plus 84 plus x, 180 degrees. Sum of the angles of a triangle. This, 180 degrees. Clear? Or you can do in another way also. What is that? If this is 70 degrees, since these two are parallel and this is a transversal, one angle is interior, one angle is exterior, and they are lying on the same side of transversal. So this will be 70. Now consider this triangle. So 70 plus 84 plus x is equal to 180. So sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. That's it. Finished. Over. Another model. How will you do this one? Any idea? Simple rule. Exterior angle of the triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Which is the exterior angle here for this triangle? Exterior angle is this one. So 100 is equal to x plus 65. Find out x over simple. Clear? Exterior for this triangle, this is the side produced. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angle for this triangle. Consider triangle ABC. In ABC, CD is extended. So exterior, so this angle is equal to this space. Just now I told no exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of two interval. So x value is over. Now, so what is the x value? $100 minus 65. So subtract minus. So 100 minus 65 is 35. So this angle we got. So that means this is 35. Easily you can find out this angle. 35 plus 100 plus y. Sum of three angles of a triangle 180. So finish. 100 plus 35 plus y. 100 plus 35 plus y is equal to 180. So 135 plus y is equal to 180. So equations you should know perfectly. So y is equal to 180 minus 135. If you don't know equations, please look. Please observe my videos regarding equations basics, which is very important. So like this, you have to solve the problems. or else you can do straight angle also. This is another, these two forms 180 now, and so 100, this gives 80 degrees. 100 plus 80 is 180 because straight angle. So 80 plus x is equal to this one. Like this also you can do. And in the same way you can find this one. So another model is there, which is last one. Then after that we will be doing congruency of triangles. How will you do this one? He is asking this angle, suppose this is there. What he wants? APB. Just tell me, these two are parallel lines. So this is 142. Easily you can find this angle. So what is this? Straight angle. X plus 142 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 142. Basis class. Equations. So 180 minus 42 is 10 minus 2 8, 7 minus 4 is 3. 38 degrees. This is 38. Sum of three angles of a triangle. A, B, C. So x plus 38 plus this angle easily you can find. If this is 80, what can you say about this one? 80 degree, because they are what type of angle? They are corresponding angles. One is exterior, one is interior. They are lying on the same side. If this is 38, then this will be 38, like that. So in this way, you can solve any problem, any kind of problem. So is it clear, students? To do triangle problem, what you need to do, what are the basic things you should know? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interopposite angles, equilateral triangle I told, and word problems, how to calculate x, y, z, and etc. In the next class, we will be doing some problem based on Pythagoras theorem, very important, and some like this. If PQR, if two sides are equal, what is the relationship between the angles? If two sides are equal, angles opposite to them are equal. That means this is x, this is also x. Reverse, if two angles, base angles are equal, then opposite sides will be equal. We will be doing those kind of problems in the next class. One is Pythagoras, one is this type of problem. Once again I am saying, so that in the next class I will not repeat. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then angles opposite to them are equal. So that means this side is equal to this side, means our base angles are equal. Is it clear? Bye students. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it. And if you have any queries or any questions, please, you are always welcome to post. Thank you.